Welcome to the tutorial to learn about the university website and the Moodle platform. To begin, you must choose the language, English or Spanish. Once you have selected it, you can log in at the top right. Once inside, you select Login again and enter your email and password. After your account has been created, go to the Academy button, and by simply hovering the mouse, you will see diploma programs, bachelor's degrees, and master's degrees. By clicking on them, you can view the different academic programs. And by clicking on Learn More, you can see all the information. On the right side, you will find the academic history, which will take you to view your grades. Everything related to how the grading system works can be seen in another tutorial. To access the library, you must log into the SRU and follow the steps in this video. Bachelor's and master's students must access the Moodle platform to view the content of their classes. They will do so by entering the URL shown on the screen. Once inside Moodle, you must log in using the same email and password you used on the main website. After logging in, go to My Courses, where you will see all the courses you will study during the bimester. Click on a course, and it will open with all the necessary information about the subject. Most importantly, you will see what corresponds to each week and their respective exams attached. Each course has a duration of 8 weeks. If you want to see your grade for the course in progress, simply go to the grade section. For diploma program students, you will need to watch the corresponding tutorial to learn how to access your courses. We do not teach what to think, but how to think. Universidad Alef.